I'm back again here with one more episode of Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar, and my journey in Goa is just continuing. I am again on the south of Goa only. One more episode on south of Goa, and I am at Palolem Beach. And as you can see behind me, Trisham Palolem Beach Resort. This is the finest beach resort and very unexplored place. Very few tourists are coming out here. But I have come here to visit Mr. Sanjay Paul, who is a chef here and who cooks a great fish cuisine. Now, Sanjay Paul is a chef of Salt and Soul, a restaurant faculty in this resort inside. So, guys, he's going to show me some unique recipes and fish curries that I have never seen before. So, let's go in, meet him, and let's explore the spices and the fish curries. Come on, let's go.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
So, namaste, sir.
Namaste, welcome to Trisham Palolem Beach Resort.
Okay, so like I told you, I'm coming to Trisham Palolem Beach Resort, and Mr. Sanjay Paul is the head chef here, who is running the Salt and Soul restaurant inside over here. And today he's going to show us some unique fish recipes which we have never seen. That's what he has told me. So, sir, what are you going to show me today?
Today I'm going to make white fish curry. Usually must have tasted yellow fish curry,
Okay.
red fish curry, green fish curries.
White fish curry. It is made in what?
Safed fish curry. How do you make?
It is made in what? Is
It's
it
made of coconut milk.
coconut milk?
I'm using a
Okay.
lot of herbs here. The local
Okay.
herbs, spices,
Okay.
and also the coconut
Okay.
cream, thick coconut milk.
Okay.
I'm going
So,
to use Motso fish cubes.
Morso fish cubes. Morso, we call it in English what? Salmon.
Not salmon, we call it rockfish or rockfish.
Rod fish, no? Rod fish.
Rod fish.
Morso. Okay, okay. So that we'll be having. And what is the other recipe that you're going to
After
show?
that, I'll be making prawns crusted with coconut, grated coconut.
Okay.
Coconut
We have seen prawns fried with panko crumbs,
or
but
rava fried.
yeah, rava fried. But today he's going to show it in a very different way of grated coconut being,
Crusted and fried.
It is crusted means you are.
Yeah, just crusted. Both
Okay,
sides
okay,
crusted.
acha, it's
Then
crusted
fried,
on the
shallow
both sides.
fried.
Okay, sure. So then, sir, we will start all this. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And in the meantime, I will want to ask, how's your journey? How you started?
Okay.
Like you've been here for past how many years? Yeah. So like, where were
Usually,
you?
I'm a trainer, consultant.
Okay,
I don't own this
okay.
place.
Uh-huh.
And I'm not Sanjay, I'm Prasad Paul. Chef
Okay,
Paul.
Prasad Paul.
Chef Paul.
Okay, Chef Paul. Okay, okay. This is Chef Paul. Okay,
Chef Paul.
okay. So then you've been into
Yeah.
this food.
Yeah, I'm a consultant. Basically, I'm a consultant. I've been executive chef in five-star hotels. Like
Okay.
Siddharth Goa,
Okay.
Mahindra and all.
So most of your time has been spent in Goa.
Yeah, here I'm with the TGA hotels.
Okay.
TGA hotels,
Okay.
helping them like a corporate chef, helping them. setting up
Okay.
hotels.
Okay. Okay. So then let's start, sir.
Okay.
So once, which is the first cuisine you're going to start?
Let me start with
The fish curry.
white
Okay.
fish curry. Okay.
Okay.
Pour in some oil.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to put some nice methi. With a nice
Okay.
fragrance.
So these are fenugreek,
Fenugreek
Sage.
and some jeera.
cumin. Okay.
When it crackles, straight away when I add
Okay.
coconut, sorry, onion,
Okay. Chopped onions.
chopped onion, chopped garlic,
Okay.
chopped ginger,
Okay.
and then chopped green chili.
Green chilies. Okay. These are the spicy green chilies.
These are the spicy green chilies.
Okay.
I am not using any powdered masala in this.
Acha,
Turn the
okay.
color, yeah.
Okay.
So using only the plain
Okay.
and along with that I use coconut milk.
Oh. So this coconut milk is a bottled one or
Freshly squeezed. Freshly squeezed.
acha, you have freshly squeezed
Yeah,
it.
from the fresh coconut,
Okay.
I've done this.
I think once it start heating up, it will start thickening.
Yeah, start thickening.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, what I will do is I'm going to sear the fish.
Okay, the rod fish.
Yeah. It's a motso fish.
Okay. Oh,
Motso fish.
I think we call it salmon or thing. No.
No, it's not salmon.
Okay,
There's salt
it looks like that.
and some lime juice.
Okay.
Just I will sear it nicely.
Uh-huh.
Not putting any other masala into it.
Okay.
Just plain salt.
Okay, now,
Now I'm going to sear the fish first. I
okay.
will not put the fish directly into the.
So will it be cooked?
Yeah, it will be slightly seared. You don't fully cook.
Okay,
I'll sear it first. Then I
okay.
will put in the curry.
But while searing, I think it will get cooked.
Yeah, only side will get seared.
Only one side.
Both sides, all sides. No?
Okay. But actually fish is so delicate. I think it will immediately get
I
cooked.
don't allow much of time. for
Acha.
it to cook.
Okay, you want to cook it into the coconut curry.
Yeah. Just want to sear it first.
Oh,
Okay, now it's seared now. Putting it back into the curry.
okay. Wow, the fish has been seared very nicely.
Very nicely. Adding it to the curry.
Did you apply any garlic paste on it? No.
No. Only salt and lime.
There is no ginger garlic in this. No? We have added ginger garlic.
This is put ginger, garlic, green
Okay.
chili, all those things.
Okay. So it will cook in this coconut.
Yes.
I had never seen a white curry. Today is what I'm seeing for the first time.
You'll have nice fragrance of
Yeah,
garlic, green chili.
yeah. Oh. Fish as it is cooks very fast.
Very fast. Doesn't take much of time.
Yeah.
Done, almost done.
It's done?
Almost.
Okay. You will garnish or season it with something?
I'll do the final.
Salt has been added, no? You added it in that.
I put there. Even the curry also, I'll put a little bit of salt. That's enough.
Okay. Wow.
So now what I will do.
This is done.
Yeah, this is almost done.
Okay. So this white fish curry is completely done. You can see
Yeah.
how the coconut milk has turned, it has thickened as it started cooking. So let's see the next recipe, which I have not seen actually. Prawns I have seen being fried in panko crumbs, bread crumbs. But in coconut, grated coconut crumbs, I'm seeing it for the first time.
Now the three fishes here.
Okay,
I'm going to put chili powder,
okay,
haldi powder,
okay.
dhania powder,
Uh-huh.
some curry patta, very
Okay,
finely chopped curry patta. I put.
okay.
And of course, you need lime.
Acha.
Without lime, then fish or prawn doesn't taste good.
Okay. Even the fishy smell also goes.
Correct. Very true. You put in lime,
Okay.
some salt,
No garlic and
No
ginger.
garlic, no ginger, nothing. I put chili powder for spice,
Huh.
and dhania powder I put.
No garlic chili on
No,
this.
no garlic.
Okay.
Chili is there, but no garlic. Chili powder I put.
Okay. Like on the Konkan belt, when we fry these prawns, we apply the ginger garlic paste and coating. Yeah.
Okay, now I actually should leave for some time.
Okay.
Okay, now
So by the time it
correct.
settles down for the taste, and this is the grated coconut that you are going
Yeah, go
to.
to crust.
Okay. And what is this?
This is from maida. Just I'm coating it.
Okay. So this is plain flour,
Plain refined flour. Just
refined flour. Okay.
Yeah, otherwise the coconut won't stick to this. No? Just for sticking.
Okay. Wow.
Nice breeze.
So he has applied this refined flour,
Just for
so those coconut crumbs will get crusted and
correct.
they'll bind onto the prawns. This is another new recipe because I've never eaten it. Generally, what has happened, we have always had prawns with ginger garlic paste applied on it. Yeah.
So I'm using curry leaf.
Okay.
Now we put,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Crusting it.
Okay.
Nicely coated it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. So this will give a flavor. You will fry it again in coconut oil
I will fry it.
or in refined oil?
It is in normal oil, refined oil.
Okay. Okay.
So it's nicely coated now.
Wow. We'll let to let it set it for some time.
Sometime, correct. Done.
Yeah.
So we're going to.
You are basically from where, sir?
I'm originally a Tamilian, but I'm in Goa for the past 26 years.
26 years. Okay.
Yeah, as good as Goanker now.
Okay. So you have been working in mostly in the Goan hotels only.
I used to be executive chef in Siddharth. Sorry.
So all in the Goan 5-star hotels. Okay.
Also
Okay.
worked in Bangalore Hotel, Chennai, Dubai.
Oh, so you are a student or an alumni of what?
Yeah, I'm from IHM, Chennai.
IHM Chennai.
Wow,
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, 38 years back.
Oh, today afternoon I had met a chef. He was this alumni of IHM Goa,
Okay.
and he had worked under some Michelin chef, Mr. John Coito.
Okay.
He started something very unique, like how you have evolved with this.
So here,
This is a refined oil, na?
this is refined.
Okay.
Here, this property is managed by TGI Hotels.
TGI is what? Full
The
form.
Great Indian Hotels.
Acha, the Great Indian Hotels. Okay.
Oil is hot now.
Without ginger garlic also the aroma is so nice.
Beautiful. Because the coconut, curry leaf,
Ah,
spices and all.
the aroma is very, like as if you have applied ginger garlic on it. Wow. Like panko.
Like a pan.
Yeah, like the panko breadcrumb.
Yeah, but when it is a
Much better.
flavor, yeah, flavor you get nice coconut.
Nice flavor and nice, good, not a preserved breadcrumbs.
Very natural one.
Yeah.
But a nice flavor.
Wow. Something different. So you have all IHM students working with you right now. All
have a lot of items. We have a lot of experienced chefs here.
Oh, prawns also you need not fry na for long time they say.
Not necessary.
Otherwise they turn out to be
Correct.
chewy.
Yeah, right. Get cooked very fast. Done almost.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, nice way of plating.
Again.
Okay. So nice of you, sir. Look at the way he has plated it. It looks so beautiful. Like I just don't feel like destroying the whole structure that has been created here with those coconut, crushed, crusted prawns and this rod fish in coconut, white coconut
White
milk,
coconut curry.
white coconut curry. So in the meantime, my spoon and that fork comes. I wanted to ask lots of things again. So you are into like how this whole faculty runs, like
Actually, I'm a consultant. I used to work in hotel
okay,
as the executive chef,
okay,
five-star hotels.
okay,
Now I'm a consultant for many hotels.
okay. So here right now, do you run the kitchen or you just
I'm doing a starting up. I set up the kitchen, recruit the staff, cleaning up. So
okay?
now in future, this is going to be another prominent restaurant in Paloli.
This, huh? Yeah, yeah.
So you are building it up.
Yeah,
In such a way.
so remember one thing when you come to Goa, like most of the people just visit on the north side, but south side also has tremendous places, exotic cuisine. So this is exactly on the Palolim beach. So this beach resort where I am right now, I would suggest everybody that they should at least visit once in a lifetime and also, have a taste of the cuisine. So now what I'll do is I'll just have a bite and taste of it. So I want to tell my audiences. Can you tell me how I should go ahead?
You can have it the way. Probably you can take a spoon of rice with the curry. Then take
Okay,
a
okay,
piece of fish and
okay. So there is a way actually of taking it.
rice.
This is a rice. See, look at this rice with that coconut cream curry. I'm taking it. There it goes, and then on that,
Then you can take a bit of fish.
okay, a piece of fish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Well cooked inside.
Yeah, well cooked. Okay. And then goes,
Of course, you can't miss the prawn.
yeah. And then will come the
Prawn.
prawns.
Yes.
And now what I'm going to do is first, my liking is actually prawns. So first I'm going to check in for this coconut coated. Wow, sir.
Like
Amazing. The curry patta and that coconut which has been crusted on it. There is no ginger garlic coating on it, but yet that lime that you applied and the prawns also have cooked it in such a way that they are not chewy.
not chewy.
Fantastic it is. And now comes in this white gravy. First time in my lifetime I'm eating a fish curry which is white in color. Wow.
Get the ginger, garlic, green chili flavors.
Apart from the color, this fish curry is like any other Goan fish curry. Exactly the same. So this is really fantastic meal that you have made to me and shown me the secret way of making this kind of recipe. It's like now my dining time, it's like right now. So guys, by the time I have this and I come back again to another episode, keep watching and stay tuned and subscribe and like my show. Bye bye and see you. And thank you very much, sir.
Nilesh Malkar.
Thank you.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh